Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over Leetcode monotonic array question. Major tech companies like Amazon, Microsoft, LinkedIn, etc. are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you'll find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview studies. Let's start with reading the question. An array is monotonic if it's either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. An array A is monotone increasing if for all I less than or equal to j, a of I less than or equal to a of j. An array is monotone decreasing if for all I less than or equal to j, a of I greater than or equal to a of j. Return true if and only if the given array A is monotonic. So this is a super simple question, but we need to understand what is monotonic. Monotone increasing, monotone decreasing. Let's go to Wikipedia and see what it says there. In calculus, a function f defined on a subset of the real numbers with the real values is called monotonic. If and only if it's either entirely non-increasing or not entirely non-decreasing. So we need to find numbers. These are either entirely increasing or decreasing. For example, this is a monotonic array. It's increasing, monotonic increasing. And next one is entirely decreasing, monotonic decreasing order. This one is not monotonic, for example. It makes a peak here, increasing then decreasing. Again, entirely increasing array here, so monotonic. And if they're all the same, we return true again. For example, we have an array here. To solve this question, we will traverse through the array using a for loop until the last element here. We're not using the last one. We go through each element, I, and I plus 1. Sorry. So if I is greater than I plus 1, for example, 6 is greater than 5 is false. So we create two booleans in the beginning, increasing and decreasing. 6 is greater than 5, false. So we return increasing false. This is decreasing. Then we keep comparing. 5 is greater than 4, so still decreasing true. 4 is greater than 4, still decreasing true. 4 is greater than 2, still decreasing true. 2 is greater than 1, decreasing true. 1 is greater than 0. Then we return true for decreasing monotonic. But if we say, for example, 8 here, 6 is greater than 5, so increasing is false and decreasing is true. 5 is greater than 8, increasing is false. This time we will make decreasing false as well because it's increasing here. 8 is greater than 4. These are all true, but we already set the items, so we already swapped the boolean, so we are not changing. And we continue checking until the end, and we return false. Let's see this in the code. So if it's true, we're not. You need to pay attention. For example, we turn the boolean into false here. We're not changing again. We're not checking trues. We are only checking false. If it's a of I greater than a of I plus 1, a of I is greater than a of I plus 1, then increasing should be false. And we are not checking if it's true again. We set it once and that's it. A of I less than a of I plus 1, and decreasing is equal to false. And we will return increasing or decreasing. So this way First we create our booleans, increasing and decreasing. Going through the loop, just pay attention here, a linked minus 1, because we are checking a I plus 1. In order not to get out of the boundaries, we do a linked minus 1. If AOI greater than AOI linked AOI plus 1, increasing false. If AOI less than AOI plus 1, then decreasing is equal to false. So this is pretty much how we solve the question. Let's submit and see. Okay, this is accepted. There are more questions with monotonic arrays as well, so I will record more videos along the way. If you subscribe to my channel, we'll meet again soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.